Is your localized communication manifest apps broken by the U212 COM DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for U212 COM, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the U212 COM, a specialized U212 COM library, frequently associated with localized hardware communication, such as smartcard readers or specialized instrumentation, managing the unmanaged data link orchestration for hardware manifests. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. U212 COM acts as a vital connection for localized communication manifest operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error, is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the U212 COM file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for U212 COM. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references U212 COM management. If this fix repaired U212 COM dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.